Navigating the various project screens can be established by inserting a command object from the toolbox screen and assigning it to the Change Page command, or by using the system commands without having to configure any program commands. The Change Page commands enable you to set navigation from one screen to another in a way that suits you best. The objects which are normally used to do this are those found in the toolbox as command buttons, which are predisposed for executing commands, in this case, Open Screen command. This command closes the active screen and opens the one desired. For more information on using command objects, please refer to the chapter on using command objects. Movicon projects are predisposed for executing screen page navigation without obligating the programmer to insert navigation buttons. The system commands provide project startup in a tile or gallery page mode. You can select the main page type that you wish to set from the project properties. When selecting the tile page or gallery page, the project will start up displaying the main page with a system page representing the screens that have been inserted into the project tile format, or by displaying a screen preview in scrolling gallery mode. The user can select the screen they wish to open from the main page. When using a system command for navigating, Movicon will enable you to set the startup page with a return to main page command, which will be displayed on the system toolbar in runtime as shown. The system toolbar is displayed when clicking or touching the top border of any screen. The system toolbar commands in runtime are listed: return to startup page, previous page, enlarge page, zoom in, zoom out, reset object manipulation, edit parameters, user login, user logout, print.